Hello everyone, welcome to Engineer's Palette. I hope you all are doing well. So today our topic is circle and an arc. Okay, let's start it. Select a plane. Now move to a circle. We have two options. The first one is quite simple. You need to just specify a center point and then drag it and click. You have smart dimensions to give radius and or diameter, whichever you want. Here is my diameter. Okay, you can also give a radius from here. Just select your circle and give it radius from here, but it is not changing because we have already defined the circle, the radius, the diameter of the circle, so we cannot change it from there. But whenever we delete this from here, you can now change it to 50, for example. I'm giving a radius. It has changed. Okay, let's move to the other one, which is parameter circle. Parameter circle mean that you need to specify any 3 points. The third point actually specify the parameter, that how big it should be your circle. It's quite simple and similar to the other one, but you need to specify the 3 points of your circle. Okay, this was all about the circle. Now let's move to the arc. We have three types of arc. The first one is center point arc. Center point arc means that you first specify a center, and now you can move either way. This was all about a center arc. You can change the radius of the arc, like it should be a radius of 20 or whatever it is required. And this was about the first. Now there is a tangent arc. Tangent arc means, for example, you have a line and you select a tangent arc. It means that this point will be tangent to, specify the second one, and this was all about your tangent arc. Tangent arc means that your arc and the starting point from where you have started your arc will be tangent to each other. You can also make it tangent. For example, if this line is not tangent to this one, yeah, it's not tangent. These both are not tangent. Just select this one, hold control, select this one and hit tangent. They both are now tangent to each other. You can specify radius of the arc. For example, 45. I'm giving it 30. Okay, it is 30 now. This was about tangent arc. Now we have a third option, which is most commonly used. This is a 3-point arc. You can specify any 3 point, the first point, the second point, and now specify the radius. If you want it down, upward or downward or left, right, depending upon your first 2 points. Okay, this is my 3-point arc. It is actually most commonly used because it is easy to use, and you can use it everywhere you want. 20. Here is your arc. This was all about circle and arc command. You can ask questions in the comment section. Please like and share our videos with your friends, and please subscribe to our channel. I'll see you in the next video. Take care.